Okay, so today guys we are going to be replacing the old Ford power steering pump with the new Saginaw pump. This has the Ford 5.0 Mustang kit on it. That's this bracket here. I already put the Loctite on it, bolted it down. You can order these from PSC that have whatever connector you want. This one has an AN fitting and then the stock fitting in the back. The Ford power steering pump has a 17.5 millimeter shank and pulley. The Saginaw has a 19 millimeter pulley. You can get this pulley off of, I think it's the newer Ford 6.4s. You can get it with this Dornan. You can get it from Dornan with this part number. I'll have it listed in the description below. We're going to put that all together today and throw it in the Ford F350 and see if it helps fix our power steering issue on our bracket. I took the bracket out already. You'll have to cut it just before the bolts on either side for mounting so you can get the Saginaw pump in. Also, you'll need to make a bracket. I made a bracket with this PSC remote reservoir. You can order these from PSC. Comes with the aluminum bracket. You just have to make the little bracket for the back, which mounts up to this very front bolt to the alternator, and there's already a pre-drilled hole. You can just tap it with a 5/16 by 8, I believe it is, tap, and I got a 1-inch bushing for it, so we're going to do that today.